Would you want to pull in a flow of extra cash by assembling products at home? The Home Assembly and Crafts directory has over 250 companies offering work-at-home assembly jobs. These companies need real hard workers to make crafts, jewelry, sewing, woodworking, mailing circulars, electronics, and more. Working at home is becoming increasingly popular. This year alone, over 5 million employees will spend more than 35 hours per week working at home with some form of formal arrangement with the company that they work for. So how can you get started? It's simple. Major assembly companies will send you a money-making instruction package that will be delivered right to your door. It will include easy-to-follow instructions, materials, and a photo of the finished product. All you have to do is assemble the products. There's absolutely no selling involved. What are you waiting for? Get started today.